Oh, that's a tight gate. Tight gate. Looking overweight. Oh, time to debate. Bars. We are here at UTC Swindon. You excited, bro?
Yeah, of course, man. Let's do it.
You excited? Let's go! What's going on, everybody? We are here at UTC Swindon. There's a huge crowd. No, remember when we done that last time? Guys, we are here. It's Friday, you know. Right, we're at UTC Swindon. We got an exciting day today, Year 10 assembly, then we're off to another school to do another assembly as well. So yeah, finishing the week off strong. Make sure you, follow us on all social medias because we're the most entertaining people in the world.
Yeah, right.
Plus, hit that big red button, subscribe, because today's gonna be a good day.
I'm out.
Whoa, dude, yo, Koki.
I just wanted to sign out, to be fair.
He's 19, so you probably don't even know what a hokey cokey is.
No, I don't.
No?
Don't wish to either.
Banger. Alright, see you later, miss. Bye-bye. Yo, just next. Oh, that's a tight gate. Tight gate. Looking overweight. Oh, time to debate. Bars. Give me a word to rhyme with, bro. Can rhyme with anything.
Cyclist.
Cyclist.
So, Cam, where are we going?
I don't know. I don't even know, bro. Oh, there it is. They're out everywhere. Look at the string!
Look at this graph! Look at it!
Well, we'd love to have you back, Cameron, you know.
We are coming to the end of the vlog. It is a wrap up. We haven't talked much content in this vlog, and do you know what? I don't really feel like we needed to. The main thing what you guys needed to see is that we're still on the grind every single day doing what we're supposed to be doing. The grind, working hard, isn't sexy, it's not. But you gotta do what you gotta do. And most people ain't willing to do what they gotta do. Did I just put an American accent then? A little bit ish, partially. Okay. But makes sense, guys. It's just about the grind, man. It's about embracing the grind, enjoying the moment, and getting out of it everything you possibly can, because that's what the dream is all about. Remember, there's a reality to every single dream there is. With that said, make sure you check out all our social medias here. Pop, pop, pop. Made you more work for you. And hit that big red button here and subscribe. Now you're gonna smash the red button. Ready? Okay, he's holding the camera right now. I'll tell you about him. He's only 19 years old. Put your hands up if you're 19 in here. Anyone 19? Few people, one person, okay. Put your hands up if you're 19 in the next 12 months.